These are boxes containing hundreds of thousands worth of medical equipment and medicines that have been donated by countries from across the world to Gaza. We've been shown $100,000 worth of antibiotics donated by India that's expired, that can't be used anymore. And I suppose the stark reality is those are medicines that could have saved people's lives in Gaza. Some medicines, like a large pallet of injectable paracetamol that we've just seen, is due to expire. So the staff here are facing a nightmare, which is, what do they do with all of this medication that's about to go off, essentially? This is one of 10 warehouses filled with food and medical aid that was meant to cross into Gaza. It was purpose built, this facility, with US and EU money. That includes an investment into making 283 custom built trucks that were built to IDF specifications. It cost over $200,000 a piece. That are just sat in a holding bay now. Nothing's gone across since September. We've seen food from the US, from Canada, from France that wasn't able to cross over. We were told that there were boxes sitting here that were Irish donations, but they actually managed to be dispatched. But a lot of these items are maybe in the next month set to expire, and that includes hundreds of thousands worth of aid that's been donated from countries across the world.